everyone, thank you for being here today. Let's start learning how to use Prezi. Prezi is an amazing resource that we can use to create presentations, infographics, and amazing videos. So let's start. If you want to go and look for Prezi, you only have to type it like this and you can go and log in. From the very beginning, you have to log in with your personal account or your institution account. It is very easy to log in with them, or you just can go for Prezi login, and you are going to fill up all the information that is going to ask you for, and that is going to be it. Now, I'm going to show you my creations here because I really love them. So I want to show you one of these amazing ways that you have to create videos, and I'm going to start from here so you can take a look at this video because I'm going to show you right now how it works. You can create your pictures, you can create your information, and later on you're going to be using Prezi like this. This is amazing because you're going to be presenting, and also you're going to have all your material right on the screen. So this is amazing, and you're going to have an interaction very simple, but also amazing in the way that you're going to be doing something different than just presenting your presentation. So it is very nice to use it like this. This is one that I have done according to the material that I was going to use. As you can see it here, I have my presentation here, and also I have different content on this. And as you can see it, I am presenting right here. And this is one of the best things here. So now I'm going to show you also how to go and how to look for creations on infographics, and I'm going to show you here also the infographic that I have created. And this is a special infographic in order that you can have your characters here. You can use it, and you're going to edit it from the very beginning. If you want to look for a new template, you can do it, and it's going to be fabulous in order that the content that you're going to be sharing. So here they are. You have infographics templates done already, so it's going to be easier for you to choose one and to start editing just according to the content. Okay, so let's say that today we're going to learn about adjectives, and we're going to go for continue. And who can see this design? So we are going to be choosing like public in order that you can help others that are looking for content. So right here we're seeing that it's loading. It doesn't take that much. So here we are. You can upload pictures from here. Yes, we can edit the titles. You can edit the definitions, either if you want to delete something of this design, you can do it too. So this is going to be amazing and easy, very, very easy to do it. So here we can see it. This is the infographic, but now let's go back and we're going to see the presentations, because we have in our dashboard we have the presentations, and as you know, we have a lot of templates too. They are very nice, and I'm going to show you this one, and I'm going to play it. And this is a new way to present, yes, to present our presentation, because it's going like this. and then here, and then you can take a look on videos too. So this is something that it's so nice, and you're going to show in different way your presentation to your students, or you can show it in like in your work in the office. So it's amazing the way that you can present here. And now let's go back again, and I'm going to show you that some of these presentations you can use them in your videos. Yes, you can have them done like ahead, and later on you can just play them like in the way that I showed you before. So here we go. This is another video that I want to share with you that I have recorded. Yes, it is here. And as you can see it, it's right here showing with some gifts. You can add also some pictures, also information that you want to. As you can see here, we have a gift. We have the information that I wanted to share with my students. And this was a deliver of diplomas, and it was a different way of doing this, like online. um yeah, it's a different way of doing this. So you can see it, we are interacting, and we are doing everything from Prezi. So I really recommend you to do this in order that you're going to be presenting something different, not all the same as we know, like a PowerPoint or maybe Canva. Sometimes it's very common. So with Prezi, you're going to have another kind of videos, another kind of catchy videos for your students, and also you're going to go and you're going to see how it works according to what are you going to present in your work or your studies. So this is it. This is it from Prezi. Thank you very much for being here, and hopefully we're going to see you later on. Have a good one. Bye bye.